Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Apple ID to the App Store on your iPhone. So, if you're logged into your Apple ID but not on App Store, don't worry. I'll show you the process to fix it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's check if you are logged in. So open your settings app and check at the top section. And if you see your name, that means you are signed into your Apple ID. But this doesn't always mean you are logged into your App Store. So exit the settings and simply open the App Store on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And here, if you are not signed in, you'll see a generic profile picture instead of your Apple ID. So, to sign in, simply tap on the profile icon in the App Store and select Sign in with Apple ID. And this will link your account. And after that, a pop-up will appear saying set up media and purchases. Just tap continue, and after a moment you will be fully signed in and your Apple ID profile will now show up in the App Store. And once you're signed in, you can download apps and make in-app purchases, and everything will be linked to your Apple ID. And that's it. That's how you can connect Apple ID to App Store. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.